እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርት ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እንሰራለን። እነዚህ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞች ለዛሬ የምናየው ፓርት 4 ላይ ያለው 100 ጥያቄዎች ናቸው የያዙት። ስለዚህ ለዛሬ የመጨረሻውን የሞዴል 1 ኤግዛም ፓርት እናያለን። ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እና ሌሎችን በርካታ ጥያቄዎች የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ መጽሐፍ ጥያቄዎችን ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ለምትፈተኑ ተማሪዎች ያው በደንብ ያግዛል ብለን ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰቡ ነው። አብረን እንቀጥላለን እና አሁን ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 76 which one of the following is the unique contribution of the Zagoi dynasty? A. Expansion of Christianity. B. Strong relation with Egypt and Palestine. C. Fine architectural achievements. D. Efficient use of the Zaila trade. C. ፋይን አርክቴክቸራል አቺቭመንትስ ነው የዛጉዌ ዳይናስቲ የሚባለው በዋናነት የሚታወቀው በተለይ በላሊበላ ውቅር አብያተ ክርስቲያናት የሚታወቅ ነው የዛጉዌ ዳይናስቲ ማለት ነው። 77 how did the Oromo population movement of the 16th and 17th centuries contribute to the setting of foundation of modern Ethiopia? A. Increased the size of the country that would have been limited to the the northern provinces of the Christian kingdom. B. Created the homogeneous society, particularly in the central parts of today's Ethiopia. C. Resulted in the expansion of some democratic principles of the Gada system to the northern provinces of Ethiopia. D. Resulted in the interaction and integration between the Oromo and other peoples of the Ethiopian region. D. Resulted in the interaction and integration between the Oromo and other peoples of Ethiopian region. 78 which one of the following is correct about the China and Japan in the 16th and 17th century? A. Both failed under the influence of the European powers and Christian missionaries. B. Were ruled by conservative dynasties highly concerned about the sustenance of their sovereign existence. C. Were highly open to the external world for any sort of relation unless it wouldn't affect their sovereignty. D. Their socio-economic and political development was at the same level with the then European powers. B. Were ruled by conservative dynasties highly concerned about the sustenance of their sovereign existence ነው። ስለዚህ ቦዝ ካንትሪስ ቻይና እና ጃፓን ማለት ነው በ16ኛ እና በ17ኛ ክፍለ ዘመን የነበራቸው ታሪክ ምንድን ነው? ቦዝ ካንትሪስ ሊሚትድ ፎሪን ኢንፍሉዌንስ ቱ ሜንቴን ሶቨርኒቲ ነው። ሶቨርኒቲ ሉዓላዊነታቸውን ለማስከበር ከሌላው የተገነጠሉ ወይም የተለዩ ነበሩ ማለት ነው ሁለቱ። 79 the Gondorian period can sum up as a period of A. Political stability and economic prosperity from the beginning to the end. B. Foreign intervention in the internal affairs of the kingdom despite the implementation of the closed door policy. C. Both political stability with economic revival and failure marked with the weakening of the central government. D. The dominance of Yeju dynasty since the poisoning and death of Iyasu I in 1706. C. Both political stability with economic revival and failure marked with the weakening of the central government. So the Gondorian period began with the stability and prosperity. ዜን ምን ፌስ አደረገ? ዲሴንትራላይዜሽን ነው። 80 which one of the following is incorrect about the study of Ethiopian history? A had been focusing in the northern parts of the country. B had been incomprehensive, merely focusing on political issues. C lacks objectivity in many of the written resources. D had been complete and particularly on the country's history of ancient time. D had been complete and particularly on the country's history of ancient time. Okay, this is the ጋፕ ነው። አንዱ እንደ ጋፕ ተደርጎ የሚቆጠረው ኔቨር ቢን ፉሊ ኮምፕሌት የሆነ እንትን አልነበረም ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 81 what is Hammurabi based known for? A conquering Egypt. B building Great Pyramid. C creating a set of laws. D writing poetry. C creating a set of laws. So Code of Hammurabi is one of the oldest and most completed written legal codes in history. 82 what event marked the end of the independence of Greek city-states? A the outbreak of the Palestinian War. B the defeat of Greece by Alexander the Great. C the days of Alexander the Great. D the conquest of Greece by Philip II of Macedonia. Okay, D the conquest of Greece by Philip II of Macedonia. Okay, this is the Philip II united Greece under the Macedonia rule, ending independence of the city-states. 83 what event led to the creation of Roman Empire under Augustus? A the assassination of Julius Caesar. B the defeat of Cleopatra and Mark Antony by Octavian. C the establishment of the Pax Romana. D the formation of the Roman Republic. B the defeat of the Cleopatra and Mark Antony of the Octavian. Okay, 84 what allowed the Maya to sustain their growing cities in the tropical environment? A building terraced fields on mountainsides. B constructing raised fields to prevent flooding. C relying solely on hunting and gathering. D importing all their food through trade. B constructing raised fields to prevent flooding. Okay, 85 which of the following technological advancements was not attributed to the Incas? A successful brain surgery. B roads linking distant provinces. C use of cement type in stone construction. D treating of malaria with quinine. C use of cement type in the stone construction. Okay, so the Incas were famous for dry stone masonry, fitting stone together to perfectly that not even knife blade could fit between them. Okay. 86. The doctrine of the Holy Trinity was first confirmed by A. The Council of Constantinople in 385 AD. B. The Patriarch of Rome in 250 AD. C. The Council of Nicaea or Nicaea ማለት ነው in 325 AD. D. The Jewish priests in Jerusalem. C. The Council of Nicaea in 325 AD ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የኒቄያ ጉባኤ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። የኒቄያ ጉባኤ በ325 ኤዲ የነበረ ካውንስሉ ክርስቲያን ካውንስል ኦፍ ክርስቲያን ቸርች ተብሎ የሚታወቀው ማለት ነው። ኢት ኮንፊርምድ ዘ ዶክትሪን ኦፍ ሆሊ ትሪኒቲ ኤንድ ሪጀክትድ ዘ አሬኒዝም ወይም የአሬኒዝም የሚባለውን እንትን ያደረገ ነው ሪጀክት ያደረገበት አፊርሚንግ ዛት ፋዘር ሰን ኤንድ ሆሊ ስፒሪትስ አር ኦፍ ዘ ሴም ሰብስታንስ አብ ወልድ መንፈስ ቅዱስ የሚለውን ኮንፊርም ያደረጉበት ጉባኤ ነው ይሄ ኒቄያ ጉባኤ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። 85 ኩሺቲክ ሰብ ብራንች ኢንክሉድስ which of the following languages? ሀዲያ፣ ጌዲዮ፣ አፋር፣ ካፋ። ሲ አፋር አፋር የኩሺቲክ ሰብ ብራንች ተብሎ የሚታወቅ ነው። ሶ ዘ አፋር ኢዝ ፓርት ኦፍ ኩሺቲክ ብራንች ኦፍ ዘ አፍሮ ኤሽያቲክ ላንጉዌጅ ፋሚሊ። ምን ፋሚሊ ውስጥ ነው የሚገኘው? አፍሮ ኤሽያቲክ ፋሚሊ ውስጥ ይገኛል። ሶ ዘ ኩሺቲክ ላንጉዌጅስ አር ስፖከን ዘ ሆርን ኦፍ አፍሪካ አብዛኛው ማለት ነው። ሀዲያ የኢስት ኩሺቲክ ውስጥ የሚገኝ ነው ሀዲያ ማለት ነው። በት የኦሞቲክ ግሩፒንግ ውስጥ ያለ ማለት ነው። ጌዲዮ ደግሞ ጌዲዮም እንደዚሁ ኢስት ኩሺቲክ ነው። ካፋ ኦሞቲክ ብራንች ያለ ማለት ነው። 88 in the Oromo indigenous religion who holds important in religious position similar to high priestess. A. Kalu and Kaliti. B. Abba Muda. C. Abba Dulla. D. Wakafana followers. A. Kalu and Kaliti. Okay. in the Oromo indigenous religion ወይም ዋቅፈና የሚባለው ማለት ነው። የኦሮሞ ኢንዲጂነስ ሪጅን አይ ሚን ሪሊጅን የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ቃሉ ሜል ነው። ቃሊቲ ደግሞ ፊሜል ሰርቭ አስ ሃይ ፕሪስት ኤንድ ፕሪስትስ ማለት ነው። 89 which of the following highlights the significance of the Aksumite kingdom between the 3rd and 7th centuries? A. It was solely depend on its internal trade network. B. It was one of the world's 4 great power alongside Rome, Persia. C. It restricted maritime trade to the Red Sea region only. D. It was known primarily for its conflicts with Rome. B. It was one of the world's 4 great powers alongside Rome and Persia. So the kingdom of Aksum the 3rd እና እስከ 3rd እስከ 7th century ድረስ የነበረው was recognized by contemporary writers like the Mani as one of the 4 great powers of the world alongside the 4 great power የሚባሉት በዓለም ላይ በዛ የነበሩ ሮም፣ ፐርሺያ እና ቻይና ነበሩ። ዜን አንዱ አክሱማይት ኪንግደም ነበረ ማለት ነው። 90 which factor contributed to the prosperity of the kingdom of Damat. A. Its advanced shipbuilding technology. B. Its control over Gulf of Aden. C. Its dominance over the land of Punt. D. Its strategic location for trade with Saudi Arabia. D. Its strategic location for trade with Saudi Arabia. Okay, so the kingdom of Damat prospered due to the favorable location near the Red Sea and trade routes connecting Africa and Saudi Arabia. 91. What did the English Revolution bring to people of England? A. The end of any sort of monarchical administration. B. The establishment of a standing army without the consent of parliament. C. The legal guarantee of some basic rights which align with the liberty of the people. D. Religious freedom for kings and the right to levy taxes without agreement of parliament. C. Legal guarantee of some basic rights which align with the liberty of the people. So the English Revolution led to constitutional limits on the monarchy and protection of certain rights. የአንዳንድ ራይትስን ፕሮቴክት ማድረግ የሞናርኪን ምንድን ነው እንትን ደግሞ ሊሚት የማደርግ ኮንስቲቱሽናል ሊሚትስ ነበረው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 92. Which one of the following does not show the main feature of the French Revolution? A. It was rooted in the absolute nature of monarchies and operation of the first and second states. B. The revolutionaries were in the complete agreement in realizing the objectives of the revolution. C. It was activated by the bourgeois and progressed by active participation of the majority. D. It was initiated by external power, mainly Great Britain and the USA. D. It was initiated external powers, mainly Great Britain and the USA. This is not shown in the feature of the French Revolution. So the revolution was internal struggle caused by domestic debts, famine and ኢኒኳሊቲ ማለት ነው። የዶሜስቲክ ኬዝ ነበረ ወይም ኢንተርናል ስትራግል ነበረ ዋናው የፍሬንች ሪቮሉሽን ኖት ኤክስተርናል። ኦኬ ኖት ኤክስተርናል ፓወርስ። ኦኬ 93 what makes the beginning of the production of food rather than collecting its turning point in human history? A. Enabled human beings to establish advanced states managing various products. B. Brought about dramatic process of artificial selection, tending plants and farming animals. C. Helped all people stop collecting food and start production simultaneously. D. Resulted in the adoption of food production as primary subsistence strategy. B. Brought about dramatic process of artificial selection, tending plants and farming animals. This is food production allowed humans to demonstrate or domesticate plants and animals leading to settled societies and civilization ማለት ነው። ይሄ ፉድ ፕሮዳክሽን አንደኛ ሰዎች ምን እንዲያደርጉ ፕላንቶችን እንዲተክሉ ለምግብነት እንዲጠቀሙ እንስሳትንም ዶሜስቲኬት እንዲያደርጉ እና እንደ አካባቢ እንዲሰፍሩ ከዛም ደግሞ ሲቪላይዜሽን እንዲጀምር አድርገዋል ማለት ነው። 94 which one of the following is the common feature of the early states? A had the same territorial extent and level of influence. B came into existence before the development of agriculture. C had people with specialized and diversified skills. D emerged at the same time but at different places. C had people with specialized and diversified skills. Okay. Early states generally had the division of labor and social stratification with people specializing in different skills. 95 which one of the following shows the impact of revival of trade and towns on medieval society in Europe? A it brought about the decline of the monarchy manorial system and revival of the economic system based on payment in money. B it brought about the end of manorialism in the entire Western world right after the expansion of the trade in towns. C the increment of number of rural population because of steady migration from towns and trade centers to rural areas. D craftsmanship was seriously discouraged by leaders of reviving towns because of the low productivity. A it brought about the decline of the manorial system and revival of economic system based on payment in money. Okay. So the revival of trade in towns gradually shifted the economy from the barter-based manorial system to money-based market economy ማለት ነው። ከባርተሪ ወይም ቀን በቀን መቀየር መለዋወጥ እና ወደ ምን ወደ መኒ ቤዝድ ወደ ብር ወደ ወረቀት ብር መገበያየት ተቀይሯል ማለት ነው። 96 what happened in the Ethiopian region with the decline and final downfall of Aksumite state in the middle of the 12th century? A kingdom with the same territorial extent and level of military strength continued under the Zagwe dynasty. B a kingdom which retained many of the Aksumite tradition and socio-economic structures was established by the Zagwe dynasty. C a kingdom with diversified external relations than the Aksumites was established under successive rulers of the Zagwe dynasty. D contacts with Egypt were interrupted with the consecration of the Ethiopian Patriarch and Jerusalem ceased to be center of pilgrimage to Ethiopian Christians. B a kingdom which retained many of the Aksumite tradition and socio-economic structures was established by the Zagwe dynasty ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so the Zagwe dynasty preserved many Aksumite traditions ምክንያቱም ዛጉዌ ዳይናስቲ ከአክሱም ቀጥሎ ነው አይደለም አክሱም መጀመሪያ የነበረ ከዛ ከአክሱም ቀጥሎ ዛጉዌ ዳይናስቲ ነው። ዛጉዌ ዳይናስቲ የአክሱምን እንትን ፕሪዘርቭ አድርጓል በተወሰነ የአክሱምን ስልጣኔ ያስቀጥሏል ማለት ነው። ኢንክሉዲንግ ሪሊጅን፣ አድሚኒስትሬሽን እና ካልቸር እነዚህን ሶስት እንትኖች በተለይ ከአክሱም በመቀበል ያው እንዲቀጥል አድርጓል ወይም ፕሪዘርቭ አድርጓል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ኪንግደም ኦፍ ዛጉዌ 97 which one of the following aspects of the Geda system align with the democratic principles? A women's active engagement in the Gada political military structures. B. The system limits powers of Gada officials and guarantees rights enjoyed by the whole people. C. The election of the Pagadas was based on constitutional principles set beforehand. D. The advisory role played by the retired Apagadas in the new Apagadas politico-military activities. B. The system limits the power of the Gada officials and guarantees rights enjoyed by the whole people ነው። የገዳ ሲስተም ከዲሞክራቲክ ሲስተም ጋር ምንድን ነው እንትን የሚለው አላይን የሚያደርገው ነው። ይህ ገዳ ሲስተምም ገደብ አለው አይደለም። እንደውም ለኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ካሉ ትራዲሽናል እንትኖቹ ሲስተሞች ውስጥ ለዲሞክራቲክ ፕሪንሲፕል አሪፍ ኤግዛምፕል ተደርጎ ይወሰዳል ገዳ ሲስተም ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም በየ8 ዓመቱ ነው አይደል ምርጫ የሚካሄደው በገዳ ሲስተም። ያ ማለት ፓወሩን ሊሚት ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። ዲሞክራሲም እንደ ዲሞክራቲክ ፕሪንሲፕል የሚባለውም እንደዛው ነው። የስልጣን ገደብ አለው ማለት ነው። ሶ ዘ ገዳ ሲስተም ዋዝ ዲሞክራቲክ ኢን ሊሚቲንግ ኦፊሻልስ ፓወር ኤንድ ፕሮቴክቲንግ ኮሚዩናል ራይትስ ማለት ነው። 98 which one of the following served as a point of reference by the Jesuits to claim the conservation of the king of the Christian kingdom to Catholicism? A. The military support the Portuguese government provided during the 1529 to 1543 war. B. The letter sent by Emperor Leopold to the Portuguese government requesting military assistance. C. The expansion of Catholicism since the completion of the 1529 to 1545 war. D. The inability of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church clergies to teach the theology of the church knowledge. B. The letter sent by Emperor Leopold to the Portuguese government requesting military assistance. So the Jesuits used Emperor Leopold's request for Portuguese military assistance as a proof of his willingness to accept the Catholic influence ማለት ነው። ሌኦፖልድ የካቶሊክን ኢንፍሉዌንስ አክሴፕት እንዳደረገ እንደተቀበለ ይቆጠራል። ምን የሚሊተሪ ሰፖርትን ከፖርቹጋሎች ስላገኘ ማለት ነው። 99 what unique development were observed during the industrial revolution? A. Replacement of human labor by machines in the majority of industrial activities. B. The termination of manual production in the every activity of industries of Europe. C. Small and medium scale industries were destroyed mainly to increase productivity. D. The planting of industries in every local area of Europe, particularly Great Britain. A. The replacement of human labor by machines in the majority of industrial activities. So the industrial revolution marked the mechanization of industries, replacing human labor in many processes ማለት ነው። የሰውን ጉልበት በኢንዱስትሪያል ማሽነሪስ መተካት ማለት ነው። 100 which one of the following is the main cause of the transatlantic slave trade? A. Large number of population in Africa. B. The establishment of European colonialism in the New World. C. The expansion of the plantation agriculture in the New World. D. The high unemployability rate in Africa and Africa's need to work in the New World. ሲ ዘ ኤክስፓንሽን ኦፍ ፕላንቴሽን አግሪካልቸር ኢን ዘ ኒው ወርልድ ነው። ይሄ በዋናን የትራንስ አትላንቲክ ስሌቭ ትሬድ የነበረው ከአፍሪካ ወደ ኒው ወርልድ አይደለ ይካሄድ የነበረው የባሪያ ንግድ ማለት ነው። በዋናነት ምክንያቱ ምንድን ነው? ፕላንቴሽን ስለነበረ ነው። አፍሪካን ስሌቮችን ለአግሪካልቸር ይጠቀሙባቸው ለጥጥና ለሸንኮራ አገዳ ምርት የጉልበት ስራ ይጠቀሙባቸው ስለነበረ ለዛ አገልግሎት ደግሞ ስሌቮችን ወይም ባሮችን ከአፍሪካ እየገዙ ወደ ኒው ወርልድ ወይም ወደ አሜሪካ አሁን አሜሪካ ወደምትባለው ስፔሻሊ ወደ ካናዳ እና አሜሪካ እየተሸጡ ይሄዱ ነበረ ማለት ነው እንደ ሸቀጥ። ይሄ ትራንስ አትላንቲክ ስሌቭ ትሬድ ዋናው ምክንያት ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የሞዴል ዋን ጥያቄዎችን በዚሁ ጨርሰናል። የዛሬው ፓርት ፎር ማለት ነው። ሌሎች ሞዴሎችም አሉን በርካታ ሞዴሎች ማለት ነው። እነዚህን ሞዴል ጥያቄዎች እንቀጥላለን። ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን አንድ ላይ ሰብሰብ አድርገን እና ሌሎችንም ጥያቄዎች ኮምፓይል በማድረግ በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናቸዋል። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም ደግሞ በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋቸው እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን፣ ወደ ቴሌግራም ኦር ደግሞ ወደ ዋትሳፕ። መጽሐፉ የያዘው ምንድነው? ጥያቄዎችን ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ነው። ማብራሪያ ሾርት ኖት አለው መጽሐፉ። ስለዚህ በአጭር ጊዜ እና በቀላሉ ለፈተና ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንድትዘጋጁ ያግዛችኋል ብለን እናስባለን። ምክንያቱም ጥያቄዎችን ኤክሰርሳይዝ ማድረግ ቶፒኩን አንደርስታንድ እንድታደርጉ እና ደግሞ ለፈተና ዝግጅት ጥሩ ተሞክሮም ነው። ሌሎች ልጆች ጋር ያየ ነው ስለሆነ ይጠቅማችኋል ብለን እናስባለን። እስካሁን ባሉ ጥያቄዎች ዙሪያ አስተያየት ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ እና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።